Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice at home with leftover rice full guide. Start by breaking apart chilled rice, chopping vegetables and aromatics, and heating a large skillet or wok until very hot, then add oil. Cook aromatics briefly, add proteins, toss rice with soy sauce and sesame oil, fry until heated through, and finish with green onions and a splash of rice vinegar for brightness. Keep your heat high and move food quickly to achieve slight char without steaming. Use day-old rice for dryness, and add sauces sparingly to avoid sogginess. Press ingredients against the pan to build flavor, stagger cook times for proteins and veggies, and taste as you go. Practice makes timing intuitive, so start simple and adjust seasoning over time to match your preferences and pantry. Quick ad: if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find these tips. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It pairs well with kitchen timers and playlist cooking vibes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider supporting us there. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Swap proteins like shrimp, chicken, or tofu to vary flavor, and mix in leftover vegetables to cut prep time. Shelve delicate greens until the end. Use coconut aminos or low-sodium soy to control salt, and add a beaten egg pushed into the hot pan for fluffy ribbons. Serve with lime wedges or pickled jalapenos for brightness, and enjoy immediately for the best texture and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.